In this video, we will discuss the remaining part of chapter number 16, Animal Classification, Phylogeny and Organization. Question number 31 is, which one is the most traditional approach? Evolutionary systematics, numerical taxonomy or phylogenetic systematics? So, evolutionary systematics is the most traditional approach. In animal taxonomy, which one is used? Homologies, एनालॉगीज और बोथ. सो एनिमल टेक्सोनॉमी है, ये सिर्फ होमोलॉगीज को यूज़ करती है. न्यूमेरिकल टेक्सोनॉमी इमर्ज्ड इन 1970 to 1980s, 1960s to 1970s और 1950s to 1960s. राइट आंसर इज 1950s to 1960s. विच अप्रोच इज लीस्ट इन यूज़? Evolutionary systematics, numerical taxonomy or phylogenetic systematics? Numerical taxonomy is the least approach which is in use. Numerical taxonomists use homologies, analogies or none of these. Correct answer is none of these. Phylogenetic systematics use analogies, homologies, both or none of these. Right answer is homologies. Most easy scientific method is phylogenetic systematics, numerical taxonomy or evolutionary systematics. Right answer is phylogenetic systematics. According to cladistics, birds are closely related to crocodiles and alligators or mammals. So, according to cladistics, birds are closely related to crocodiles and alligators. Active animals are radially symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical or pentaradially symmetrical. So, active animals are bilaterally symmetrical. Unicellular organization is also called cytoplasmic organization. Why? Because all the functions are performed under a single plasma membrane in a single cytoplasm. That's why it is also called cytoplasmic organization. Diploblastic organization shows cytoplasmic organization or tissue level organization. Diploblastic organization shows tissue level organization. Mesoderm derived from ectoderm, endoderm or both. Ectoderm and endoderm both derive mesoderm. So the right answer is both. Acoelomates contain mesenteries, solid mass of mesoderm with non-functional parenchyma cells or solid mass of mesoderm with functional parenchyma cells. The right answer is B. Solid mass of mesoderm with non-functional parenchyma cells. What do you know about pseudocele? It is derived from blastocele. It is non-functional and not lined entirely by mesoderm. No muscular and connective tissue line the gut. Mesodermal sheath is also called peritoneum or peritonial. The right answer is peritoneum. Radial symmetry can be biradial, pentaradial or both. So it can be both, pentaradial and biradial. Scientific name of volcano sponge is Hemactyon ferox or Symbion pandora. Scientific name of volcano sponge is Hemactyon ferox. Length of Symbion pandora is 0.3 mm, 0.4 mm or 0.5 mm. Length of Symbion pandora is 0.3 mm. Symbion pandora is a sponge. It belongs to Cyclophora or Ctenophora. So it belongs to Cyclophora. Cyclophora. Serosa lines the outside of visceral organ or inside the visceral organ. Serosa lines the outside of visceral organ.